Sitting with her mum outside her Binjari home near Catherine, Stella Raymond waits for her kids to get home from school. Stella grew up here with 5 children of her own. It's not the community she remembers as a kid.
It's changed a lot. As I was growing up, it changed a lot. The kids just see people comes in with alcohol, and that's a big issue here.
Stella says housing is the other major problem for families like hers.
In my household, I got 5 kids and me and my partner, and we live in a 2-bedroom flats. Meant to get a new house, like a 3-bedroom house, but still waiting on housing to clear that up.
A lack of housing and services across the Territory's bush communities are forcing many residents into town centres where homelessness is rife. Those lucky enough to get a bed in Darwin often end up stuck in a cycle of short-term accommodation. This 180-bed facility run by Catholic Care is at capacity as demand for public housing reaches record highs. For public housing applicants, the wait time for a 1-bedroom unit in Darwin is up to a decade. Last year, of the 2,344 applications for public housing across Darwin, just 101 people were allocated a home, leaving the rest with limited options. Michelle Martin has been here since January. Her sons and grandsons suffer from a rare brain disorder and they have to travel from Maningreta to get treatment. Michelle is also dealing with her own health challenges and needs to stay on in Darwin to be closer to doctors.
Just had bypass operation last year and looking for a house for myself too.
She's been on a wait list for permanent housing in Darwin since 2020, but her application is on hold because she doesn't have a tenancy reference. Catholic Care NT has plans to build 44 new social homes on this block.
We're ready to go. We have practically a shovel-ready project here.
But the plans have hit a wall. A funding application under a federal government initiative supporting 20,000 new social homes and 10,000 affordable homes across the country has been knocked back.
We applied for funding for the Housing Australia Future Fund rounds 1 and 2. Sadly, we were rejected.
Of the 183 projects selected for funding under round 1 of the initiative, just 5 are from the NT.
It costs a lot to build houses up in the Territory. You know, we have skills shortages, labour shortages. If Housing Australia is looking at quotas and ticking boxes, the Territory is going to get left behind.
Marama Johnstone says she's seen people forced to return to community, sometimes to violent or dangerous situations because there's no other option.
People just need shelter and there's nowhere.
Back in Binjari, Stella wants to see her children thrive on country and says a bigger house is the first step.
Big difference. Yeah, big difference and better community. That's what we want.
Relieving pressure on the city by addressing problems in the bush. Olivana Lathouris, ABC News, Binjari.